it's your girl Sophia the Lioness, and I just want to officially welcome you to the team. Here at Novae Money, we focus not only on helping you to put money in your pockets, improve your credit score, but we help you to become better as a person. You're going to start to develop overall, and you're going to start to develop some great relationships with some phenomenal people. Make sure that you get connected with everyone in this group, because we're definitely here to help you. We're here to assist you in building your business and keeping you motivated to make sure you go after your goals. So if you're watching this video and you don't have a pen and paper, pause the video and grab one right now so that you can definitely take these notes, because these next things I'm going to share with you are going to be critical to you really building your business and seeing success. The first thing I need you to do, take out your smartphone, text at NovaeM to the number 81010. Text at NovaeM to 81010. That's the first thing you need to do. What that's going to do is that's going to put you on our text message subscriber list so that you can get text messages with all call information, different trainings, any updates, or all pertinent or important information to help you grow your business. The second thing I need you to do, I need you to set a standing appointment every Tuesday night at 10 p.m. That's when we do our team training webinar. What we do there is we go over everything you're gonna need to start to build your business. On Sunday nights at 9 p.m., that's our Sunday night mentorship call. That's more of a personal development call, more of a mindset training. It's not so much focused on the business, but just focusing on helping you become the person you need to become in order to start to have the results you want in your life. In order for you to earn more, you've got to become more. One of the things I always share with the team is you've got to work harder on you than you work on your business, because the better you become, the better you're going to do in business. I'm going to give you one simple post. It says, who needs a 700 plus credit score for 2018? Comment info below. Just post that on your Facebook, post that on your Instagram, your Snapchat, whatever social media you use and engage with. People who are interested in improving their credit score may click like or they may comment. Just because they click like or comment doesn't mean that they're ready to buy, but it is a buying signal. Remember this, most people don't buy immediately, but they will buy eventually. Your goal right now is to pique interest. It's not to sign them up. Your goal is just to set the next appointment, to get them on the phone. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. The system stands for save yourself time, energy, and money. If you follow the system, you'll get the results. If you try to do it your own way, it may work sometimes, but it's not going to work as well as the system. So when people start to comment on that post, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to organically and individually respond to every person who comments. Social media is a social network. It wants you to be social. So if someone speaks to you, you speak back. What would you say to them? You just respond, hey, what's up? I see you want more info. I'll reach out to you in your inbox in a minute. You are building genuine relationships with these people. Because remember, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So you got to show these people that you genuinely are interested and want to help them. When we get good at building a genuine relationship with people, they'll start to know you, they'll start to like you, and they'll start to trust you. And when people know, like, and trust you, then they'll pay you. So if you're not building rapport, don't try to pitch them the business, because they're not going to sign up. You're going to get annoying within the first 2 days, and then they go ghost and never answer your call, and you wonder why. That's why. This is exactly what you say. Hey, I'm not in this inbox a lot, so when you get this, call me and I'll walk you through it. The goal is to use online to get them offline. What you've got to do is you've got to get good at getting people off of Facebook and on the phone. This is a great way to filter your prospects, because the people who actually pick up the phone and call you, or even the ones who text you, they're genuinely interested because they took the next step. When they call you, when they text you, here's how you respond. Oh, listen, thanks for calling, man, but I'm about to run into this meeting right now. I promise you I'll call you back between 7 and 8 tonight. Is that cool? They're going to say, yeah, sure. Now, guess what? You just took it away from them. That person is going to be watching their phone waiting for you to call, because they called you. But you didn't just verbally vomit and give them all the information like you're desperate. You said, hey, I'm busy. I'm going to call you back. Now they're waiting for your call. Do you think they're going to pick up the phone? They probably will, right? Because now you've got the information that they want. Guess what you do as soon as you do that? You hit your upline sponsor. You just told your prospect you're going to call them between, let's say, 7 and 9 tonight. So you let your sponsor know, hey, are you available anytime between 7 and 9 tonight? Let's set it up, schedule a time. And then you call at that time. You call your sponsor on the phone. Then you guys are going to call your prospect together. You don't have to do anything except introduce it. That's all you got to do, guys. This right here is something that each and every one of you can implement right now. Here's the key to our whole compensation. You really only need to sponsor 3 people into the business. That post could get you 3 people in the business. Once you get those 3, all you gotta do is focus on teaching them how to do what I just taught you, and they're gonna get 3. Now you leverage it. Now we're duplicating. Now we're not working as hard because we're spending a lot of time teaching our people how to follow a simple system. A lot of you guys are gonna need to watch this video a couple of times. Go ahead, do it. That's why I'm making it, so it can be a resource for you to learn. A part of winning in this business is you gotta put the time in to study. You gotta know how this business works. You gotta understand the compensation plan. There's no way you're gonna succeed in your business if you don't understand your business. You a CEO, you a boss of your own business now, so that's a part of the responsibilities. Pause this video, watch it back, make sure every new associate you get signed up into the business watches this video, because this is gonna be a great thing to get someone started, with the bank from day one.